The Nissan GT R50 by r50 is a limited edition, high-performance vehicle created to commemorate the 50th anniversary of the GTR model. A collaboration between Nissan and r50, this exclusive car is a collector's dream, with only 50 units ever produced. While based on the GTR Nismo, it boasts a unique design featuring a lower roofline, aggressive headlights, and a futuristic rear end. Under the hood, it packs a Nismo-tuned twin-turbo V6 engine delivering a staggering 720 horsepower, coupled with an all-wheel drive system for exceptional handling. However, such luxury and performance come at a price, with the GT R50 by r50 commanding a hefty price tag surpassing $1 million.